What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the Sandman from Spider-Man. Let's get started in the center of our page with the lower edge of the brow. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Start on the left side. We're going to curve this up and then out. Line this up on the right side and do the same thing. Let's go back to the inside and curl up the brow. Starting on the left, we're going to come in and then bend that up and do the same thing on the right. Let's add some thickness to the brow. Starting on the outside, we're going to angle up and in. And we'll follow that same curve coming in and then down towards the inside of the brow. Let's do the same thing on the right. And then we'll fill the eyebrows in black. Now we're going to tuck the eyes in underneath the eyebrow. On the outside, we're going to step in, draw a half circle. Coming down, just pull that up on the inside, go to the right and do the same thing. And then we'll add a fold along the inside of the eyes. Starting on the left, come down and then out. Let's line up with the bottom edge of the eyes, move to the center and draw the nose. We're going to start on the left, come down, and bend that up, step up, and draw a short curve going up and down for the bridge of the nose. Now I'm going to move down and draw in the mouth. We're going to start back on the left, curve the mouth coming down, and then up, and then curve the mouth coming out, and then down towards the corner of the mouth. Let's add a bracket on the outside. Stepping down, just curve around and in. Now move to the center, step down, draw a short curve, coming down and up to the lower lip. Let's move out and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside edge of the left eye, we're going to step out, draw a large half circle. We're going to come down, underneath the mouth, we'll go out and up on the right side. And then we'll work our way along the inside edge of the hairline. Starting on the left, curve up and in around the eyebrow. Then from the top, we'll go straight up toward the top edge of the hairline. I'm going to pull the hairline coming in and down, leaving a gap in the center. We start on the left. Come in and then down. Do the same thing on the right. And we'll connect the inside with a curve. Coming down and then up. Let's go back and draw the outside of the head. Starting from the left side of the head, curve out, up, and then in. Line this up on the right. Let's bring that up towards the same height. Now I'm going to connect the top with another curve. Go up in the middle, and then bend that down. Let's add the ears on the side of the head. From the left side, we're going to step up, curve the ear going up, down, and then in. Line this up on the right. And then we'll add the folds inside the ear. Starting back on the left side, go up and out with a short line. Go back to the inside, curve out, and hook that in. Let's add a little bit of texture on the top of the head. Starting on the left, and curve up, and then down. Move out, draw another curve. And we'll do that one more time. Stepping out towards the left, go up in the middle, and then back down. And now we're going to move down and draw the side of the body. Starting on the left side, underneath the head, curve the body going out, and then down towards the left hip, move over towards the right, and do the same thing. Let's connect the hips with a curve, coming down the middle, and then back up. And now we're going to add some detail to the body, starting with the top edge of the belt. On the left, we're going to step up, just follow that same curve, coming down, and then up. Leave a gap in the center and draw two lines, one on the left and one on the right. Let's trace the buckle along the inside. Now I'm going to move out to the side and draw two straight lines coming down for the belt loops. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw the edge of the collar. On the left side, come down, and then back up. And we'll add those stripes inside the shirt. From the top of the belt, step up, just follow that same curve, going across, step up, just draw that a couple more times up towards the top of the body. Let's go back to the center, step down and add a curve. From left to right, going up and then down. And then leaving a gap in the center, go to the left side, curve the leg going out and then down. Move over towards the right and do the same thing. Now we're going to blend the legs into a pool of sand. So let's go back up to the hips, draw the outside of the leg. We're going to go out and then down towards the same height we have on the inside. And we'll add that pool of sand. On the left side, we're going to step up, curve out, and then bend that in, go out, across the middle, up, and then in. And we'll work our way back in behind the right leg. Starting up here, go out, and hook that in, go out a little bit wider, and then back in toward the side of the leg. Let's continue the curve of the sand in between the legs. We're going to start on the left side, curve up, and then down. And we're going to add that seam between the leg and the sand. Starting from the outside of the leg, come down, and then up, round up the top, come down on the inside, and pull that in. Let's go over towards the right side, go up, and then down, round up the bottom, and go up towards the right. Let's move back up and draw on the arms. We're going to start from the top of the body, curve the arm coming down, and then out towards the wrist, go to the right side, and do the same thing. Let's transform the left arm into a giant fist. We're going to start from the wrist, we're going to go up, then the thumb coming down, round up the bottom of the thumb, and pull that back up. And we'll add the edge of the palm, coming down, and then in. And we'll stack 3 large fingers in behind. Starting from the side of the thumb, draw a half oval, going out, and then in, step down, and do that again. I'm just going to tuck this up underneath the thumb. Now with the last finger, we're going to start on the outside, curve out, and then in, and then we'll drip the sand coming down. Go straight down, bend that back up, come down a little bit lower, and go back up towards the top. And then we'll finish off the finger, going around and then up behind. From the bottom of the finger, we're going to step down for the palm, coming in, and bend that up, aiming towards the wrist, step down, taper the arm coming up and in behind the body. Now we're going to draw the edge of the sand, starting from the top of the arm, come in, then out, round this out, come in, and then bend that down toward the bottom of the arm. Let's transform the right arm into a large round mallet. We're going to start from the wrist, curve up and in, and we'll add a spike, going up and then angling back down. Let's work our way over towards the right, going out and then down. Let's add another spike, going out and then in. Now we're going to work our way back in towards the wrist. Starting from the outside, come down and in, at a point coming down, and back up, and then we'll curve the inside going up and in. And now I'm going to line up the inside of the arm over on the right, curve the arm coming down, and then back out. Let's add a few more spikes in the back, starting up here, and go up, back in, go to the right side, add one along the bottom, then one more on the inside. And then we'll add the edge of the sand on the right arm. Start from the top, come in and out, bend that back in and then down. Now we're going to add some stripes across the top of the arm. Starting from the outside, curve in and then down, step down, and then in between the sand. Let's add some texture to the sand. We're going to start on the left arm. Start with a series of small circles all around the arm in random areas. We'll do the same thing on the right side. And then we'll add that same texture across the bottom of the legs, starting on the left. Add one more along the bottom, and that's pretty much it. There's the Sandman from Spider-Man. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.